Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate mousse, but not just any chocolate mousse. This one is dairy-free and egg-free. Now, traditional chocolate mousse does have raw eggs, but I know that a lot of you are not comfortable using raw eggs in desserts or you don't eat eggs, so this is a perfect recipe for you. Now, we're going to add a little twist to make it a little bit more special, and this recipe is made with some ingredients that might seem a bit unconventional to you, but you just have to trust me. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do, so let's get started. To begin, I'm roughly chopping some tofu. Yes, you heard right, tofu. Just go with it. You'll need 340 grams of silken tofu for this recipe. It's a lot softer than regular tofu and it lends a super creamy texture. Add the tofu to a high-powered blender or food processor. I also like to toss in a 1/4 teaspoon of instant espresso powder and a handful of fresh raspberries, but both of these ingredients are totally optional. Remember, this is your chocolate mousse and you can flavor it however you'd like. Also trickle in a 1/4 cup of milk, regular or non-dairy both work. Next, throw in a splash of vanilla extract, followed by 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or another sweetener such as agave. Here I have 170 grams of dark chocolate. Now you could use milk chocolate if you'd like, and I'm just going to melt this chocolate in the microwave, stirring after every 30 seconds or until it's nice and smooth. Let the chocolate cool slightly till it reaches room temperature, and then you can add it to the rest of the ingredients. And now you are ready to blend. Give the mixture a whiz until it's silky smooth and resembles the likes of a chocolate milkshake. It'll be a little thin, but just wait, it'll solidify nicely once you let it chill for a bit. Pour the mixture into your desired serving dishes. I like to use little jars, and you want to chill the pots for about 30 minutes to an hour until it's nice and solidified. To serve, I like to garnish the mousse with some chocolate shavings, roughly chopped pistachios, and a couple of fresh raspberries for that beautiful bright color. This chocolate mousse is rich with a creamy texture, making it a tasty, possibly vegan alternative to an all-time classic, and no one has to know that secret ingredient. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this non-traditional but still delicious chocolate mousse. If you like this video and you want to see some more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure your notifications are turned on so that you're the first to know when I upload new videos. As always, the full recipe for this chocolate mousse is available on hotchocolatehits.com, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.